Hey y'all, hey, do you want to see how I earn cash daily with apps? I know you do. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's D. So it's time to go over my income I was able to make mobile apps and a little bit of side income. So let's just hop into this video. Hope that y'all are doing well. If you didn't know, I did go on vacation in the month of October, and I have been posting a few videos from that vacation. I did post Fantasia Live, TI Live, and I possibly have one more that I will post, but check out my shorts and my videos if you would like to see that. A whole bunch of artists at the One Music Fest, and I had a great time. Everybody did wonderful for the most part. Only like 2 or 3 of them that didn't really do good, but I wasn't fans of those, so I am fine with that. Fantasia did a awesome job. Keisha Cole did a awesome job, and they sounded the way they sound on their records, and that just proves to me that those two ladies can sing, not sing, they can sing. So it was a very great vacation, and I saw so many artists, so many artists. And yeah, y'all, if you want to know what artists I saw, let me know down below, and I will list those in a community post or something, but let me know. All right, y'all, let's get into this. This is the budgeting planner that I do use. This is from my Buy Me a Coffee shop. I have a budgeting and savings planner, and today I will be allocating all the money I made with mobile apps in the month of October. And yeah, y'all, it was sort of kind of slow month, but even with me being on vacation, I reached my goal, and I'm appreciative of that. So I wasn't able to make anything from Amazon for apps, and this is just the cash. I will go over the gift cards that I also earned with these apps in just a bit. I made a total of $74.75. My biggest paying app is the one that I am testing out, and I made a total of $31. I probably will bring that to y'all officially in the month of December. My points, I will insert a screenshot. I made a total of $20 with that. There is a referral link down below if you're interested in that. And also I made $18.75 from surveys on the go. I will insert a screenshot. Surveys on the go was very slow this month. I did not get any product reviews or anything like that. So I am appreciative of the $18.75 I did make. On these apps, I usually do surveys, scan receipts, scan products within Walmart for shop kicks, and just minor tasks to earn this money. I mostly do the scanning receipts and taking surveys, and I usually spend no more than an hour a week to earn this money. So yeah, y'all, it has been really helpful for me to be able to earn some extra money at home and don't take up a lot of time. Earn anything on Buy Me a Coffee, Etsy. I got a total of $1.34. So I do have 2 listings still out there on Etsy, but I will not be renewing those listings. They sell out, they sell out. I do have them 30% off November or early December. But so if you're interested in that, I will not be using that platform to sell my digital items anymore. I will be using my Buy Me a Coffee shop, which is always linked down below. So let's see what cash I was able to bring in. And that's 74.75 plus 1.34 equals a total of $76.09. And this is what I will be budgeting. I will insert a picture of my PayPal, which is where I transfer all the cash that I earn, and it's for $73.13. I made a mistake and purchased something on PayPal. I purchased something using PayPal. Balance does not add up with what I just told you, but that is why it's a little bit less. But yeah, y'all, and I did also earn $1.15 where Ibotta. I do have a referral link down below, but I can't cash out yet, so I can't actually budget that money until it actually hits my bank. Into the bills and expenses section, I did have to switch this up since I didn't make as much as I usually make, and that is totally fine. I am very appreciative of the amount that I was able to make. So I did not put anything towards my mortgage principal, utilities, and I get at least a month ahead, and that is $10. My buffer, I need to build up my fund checking because it is extremely low. It will be getting $8.89, and I will be setting aside a total of $25 for 7 challenges. So for this section, I'm allocating a total of $43.89, and we're going to subtract that from where I started, which was $76.09. And I have a total of $32.20 left to allocate. Next section I will be getting to is my special fund. It's D will be getting the money that I made from Etsy, which is $1.34. Treat Yourself will be getting $6.86, and I'm basically paying back what I used for the month of October. I did buy a couple of things that I wanted, and I'm basically paying that back. Renovation will be getting a total of $5. Household will be getting a total of $2. Vehicle essentials will be getting a total of $5. And the rest of these funds will not be getting anything. To allocate the money to the areas that are needed the most this month. So that equals a total of $20.20. And we're going to subtract that from what I had left over from this section, which is $32.20. So I have a total of $12 left to budget. And the next section is my investing section. I am trying to invest more money. And yeah, y'all, because one of my goals is to retire early. So the $12 will be going towards my brokerage account. I am really focusing on folios so I can build up my positions. And this is the account I will be using when I retire early. So that's $12, and I had $12 left over. And yeah, that is a $0 allocation. And that's the way I prefer to budget. I like to budget my income to the last cent and make sure everything has a place. That is just my personal preference. Down here is the breakdown to make sure that I did accurately. I started off with a total of $76.09 to budget. The bill section got a total of $43.89. My special funds got a total of $20.20. And my investing got a total of $12. So this easy money, I'm putting it towards goals. It might not seem like a lot of money for you, but to me, putting extra money towards goals that's not coming out of my main budget is a plus for me. I have made a considerable amount of money to me with these apps, these mobile apps. So easy. Like I said, I mostly scan receipts and do surveys. Alrighty, so $76.09 minus this $43.89 minus this $20.20 minus the $12. Yeah. That is a $0 allocation. Now, let's get into the gift cards. So some of these I do earn gift cards. And for the month of October, gift cards from Amazon Panel, they are no longer accepting participants in this app. Shopkick, I have a referral link down below. It is very easy. You go in there and scan receipts. And if you buy some of the items that are within the app and you submit the receipt, you can get extra kicks from that also. Also got some money from Online Insights. This is sponsored by Google, and I got invited to this program. They sent me something in the mail and I signed up for it. And also got an email from a company called Research Services, and I was able to do a survey from them, and I got a gift card. I do cash out all of my gift cards with Amazon, and I use those gift cards to buy things that I want or need. And right now I will be using those to help me fund some Christmas presents. So the total cash that I received for the month of October will be the $4.75 plus the $1.15 that I got from Ibotta that I did earn, but it is still on my account because I can't cash out yet. That is a total of $75.90. The amount of gift cards was a total of $25.10. So we're going to add that together. So the amount I made for the month of October is $101 doing easy tasks. On average, I make $100. This right here, believe it or not, is low for me. Between $100 and $120 a month using these apps. I always have links down below in my description for anything that you might be interested in. I appreciate the people who have used my links in the past to sign up. Hope that you are enjoying the apps that you have signed up for. Okay, just to give y'all a little tip, I have been doing these apps for a very long time. I say at least 6 to 8 years, so I'm not new to this game. Usually during the holiday season, which is officially starts in November, so November and December, the companies reallocate their advertising budgets, and that increases the number of offers that they offer with these apps. So make sure, if you're not signed up for any of these apps, always link down below. Make sure you sign up if you're interested. If you already have these apps, make sure you check these apps a little more than what you used to. As they increase their advertising budgets with these companies, they will offer you more money. So if you need some extra money for the holiday season, which I'm pretty sure everybody can, check the apps, work the apps, do these easy tasks, and make this money, y'all. All right, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video and see how I make money every single day with these apps. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money bake you. All right. Bye.